video, we're going to be playing a game called Cashier. These are the rules.
Alright guys, these are the instructions. We have two contestants. We have Jetski and we have Deacon. One at a time. One person will sit right here. And then when I say go, wait, as you see, we do have a board right here with some numbers on it. We're going to let y'all know what that's about right now. So, Juju's going to be right there. Nia's going to be right here holding the board for both contestants. When I say go, 1, 2, 3, go, the contestant is to run over here. They're already going to have numbers on their board. And you see the cups, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, number 1 says 10 cents. Okay. What you going to do?
I can do this.
You're going to drop 10 cents. The second cup says 53 cents. We're going to grab 53 cents. And this is real change, by the way. 53. And this is a speed game on counting. You do that. And as you can see, 3 says 13, 4 says 6. Once the contestant is done, they will grab their board, run back to the seat with their board, and sit down. That is time right there. And by the way, we just invented this game. Let's get it. Also, you guys, what I forgot to mention, we'll be going 3 rounds. 3 rounds. That's it. With 20 seconds on the clock. It's going to be 20 seconds for them to finish this. No. It's not going to be 20 seconds. It's going to be whoever finishes it faster. I'm sorry. Whoever finishes it faster and get to the seat. It's time. 3 rounds. Let's go. Crazy. All right, Jetski about to go. I'm going to start them off at 10 seconds. So we don't have to use no clocks or nothing. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Time is still going on what you were supposed to do last. Look, see, this is what happens when you don't listen. This time is still going. One more thing you gotta do. Nope. Nope. Look, he wasting time. He don't even know. Even the subscribers know what you're supposed to do. So I guess you automatically win this round, Deacon. Because you know what he's supposed to do, right? Tell him what he's supposed to do.
I think he's supposed to grab the whiteboard while he runs back.
Thank you.
Darn it.
You still got time. We started at 10 seconds. Time. All right, you guys. Juju did have the correct money. I don't know why I didn't record it, but he did have the correct money in 1, 2, 3, and 4. But it is Deacon's turn, and I will be counting the money after he takes the board and sit down, which he forgot to do. But it's okay, because you know now, 2 more rounds. We got Deacon in the chair. As you can see, you guys, that's some of his stuff. All right, I'm going to start you off at 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. 26 cents for number 1. Grab a quarter. Let's be good. I'm gonna help you out a little bit. 26 cents. Nope. The quarter is 25. Let's just say that. The quarter is 25. So, what you gonna do? Nope, that's not the quarter. That's the nickel you got in your hand.
Oh, yeah, you got a nickel.
Find the quarter. Yep. Okay. Alright, we got 15 cents. Remember, the nickels are 5 cents. The dimes are 10 cents. The 1 penny is 1 cent. 1 cent. Yep, right there. Go and grab it, yeah. Grab the nickel. I'm just assisting him a little bit. No, that's okay. Keep going. 14, 15. Let's see what number 3 says. 10 cents. 10 cents out here. However you want to do it. Yeah, and what number 4 say? 16. So how do we make 16? Yeah, we got a dime. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job, Deacon. Now do the rest. Do the rest. Do the rest. Time. Yeah, probably by a few seconds. Count Deacon's money. The first one was 26 cents. Raise it up.
Okay, raise it up.
Do you got that?
A quarter.
And a penny.
And a penny. That's
all right. Make sure you just leave it right in front of the camera. Don't pick it up or nothing.
There's this
Second one was 15 cents.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, 15.
Okay.
Third one was 10 cents.
10 cents. You got that.
Yeah. And the fourth one was 16 cents. Let's see if that's 16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And a dime.
And then 10. 16.
Good job, D.
Good job.
It's Juju's turn, and you can see that some of his stuff. And I'm starting you off at 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes. 15. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18. Put them in my hand.
Right. That's the smartest thing to do. You have a time limit.
18, 27, 24, 2, that's 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 67, okay, 1, 2, that's 50 cents, 50, 60, 1, 2,
81.
Yeah,
they gonna make it.
80, and then 1. Done.
Right.
Wait.
Time. All right, we finna check Jetski money. Let's see, did he get it right? Let's see. Number 1, we got 18 cents. Let's see. Just
10,
put it right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And 10. All right, that's that. 18. Second one, say 24 cents.
20.
It's 20.
It's 21, 2, 3, 4.
All right,
okay.
Number 3, say 67.
67.
Wait, get away from the real money.
Okay. This is
how much?
25,
it's
225.
It's 50.
That's 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, and number 4 says 81.
81.
50.
Oh, 50.
50.
50.
60. 60.
50. Oh.
61 cents. You needed 20 more cents. You should have grabbed 3 quarters, a nickel,
I know,
and
I thought
penny.
this nickel
But it's
was
okay.
a quarter.
It's okay. You're still a kid. Y'all learning.
Okay.
That's what it's all
Again,
about. Learning. It's not about getting it
I
right.
only messed up
you gotta
on
learn it
number
first.
4.
Yeah. Okay. It's all good.
I think Deacon picked that one.
It's all good. We learning out here, y'all. Let's get it. Next up, Big D. All right, we got Big D. We got Big D in the seat right now. Did some of his stuff right here. Kind of made it a little hard for him. He ain't used to this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, 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 go. Okay. So
1, 50 cents. Number 1 is 50 cents. 2 quarters. 10, 20. That's 20. 10, 20. 30. 40. 40. 50. There you go. Good stuff, G. Good stuff. The next
40.
Number 2 is 40. I got it, Bill. Let's see. 10, 20, 30. 40. Good job, D. The next one is, put it in there. Next one is 35. Let's get it. 35. 35 cents it is. 10, 20. 30. 30. It's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Nope, that's yep. And number 4 say 25 cents. Let's see. Uh-oh. Let's get it, D. 10, 20. I see you like dimes. 10, 20. Say 25. That's 20 right there in your hand.
You can use a quarter too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. All right, finish it up. Time. Big Diesel. We're finna count Deacon money. Number 1 said 50 cents. Let's see, do we got 50 cents in there? Just put it all on the table. We're gonna let the camera see it and the subscribers gotta see it. Let's see if the Deacon get the 50 cents. Let's see.
Yep, he got it.
50 cents. All right. Number 2 say 40 cents. Let's see, did he get that? Oh, snaps. 2 for 2. Let's go. 35? Do I see a 35? Let's see.
31.
Do you all see 35? Because I see 35. Let's see what number 4 say. 25 cents. Let's see what you do. Let's see what you did, man. Let's see. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job,
25,
man.
dog!
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
That's how we doing it. We gonna count some money.
For a good job. Yeah!
We count money. All right. This is the last round. This is the last round. We got you Jetski. This is some of his stuff right here. And remember, I'm starting you off at 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Easy. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Don't drop nothing now. See, look, dropping stuff. Look, dropping dime. Ooh, that's, you never want to drop a dime now.
The dimers.
Don't be dropping no dime.
65.
5.
1,
Hold on, what's up,
2 quarters, and 5.
Alright. Third one, 74 cents. 74 cents. That's 50. 50, 60, 70, 2, 3, 4, 85.
Okay.
4,
3 quarters. 3 quarters. No.
Oh, still dropping dimes. Oh, he's out of here and that's time. Oh, wait. Time. Oh, that. Oh, yeah. Did you really do that? All right, so we finna count you Jetski money. All right, the first one says 97 cents. Let's see, do we got 97 cents over here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, 97. All right, let's see, do we got 65 cents under this one?
Okay, this is 50, 2 quarters 50, and this is 5.
Oh, you messed up again. That's 55. Sir. All right, so put that to the side. Let's go to the next one. Number 3.
Okay.
Number 3rd one says 74 cents.
This is 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. The 4th one say 85 cents. Let's see, do we got
1,
85 cents?
2, 3. This is 3 quarters is 75, and plus
85.
10 is 85.
Good job, Jetski. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Jump it. Boom. Whack up. There we go. Some Big D. Big Diesel. Big D. All right, so now we got Big Diesel over here. This is some of his stuff he got to do. We're going to start you off at 10 seconds. 2, 1, go.
Yeah, dog.
All right, 75 cents. 75. 10, 20. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. 50. 60. 70. 1. 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. 75. Put it in there. Then we got 80 cents. 80. Remember, 2 quarters is 50 cents. That's 25. That's 50. That's 50. 50. 55. 60. Remember, we need 80. 65. 70. Nope. Yep. Right in there. to help you a little bit. Then we got 99 cents. Remember, yep, that's 50. That's 75. Good. 75. 80. Good, D. 80. Nope. That's a quarter, remember? Put that down.
That's a dime. He put a dime.
No. He put a, what you call it? He got 3 quarters. He got 80 cents. He got 3 quarters and a nickel in his hand. He ain't got no dime in his hand.
Oh, yeah.
That's 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. All right. No. Oh, wrong one.
Oh, no.
Okay, it's okay. Let's do the last one. It's 60. Number 4 is 60. 60 cents. Oh, yeah. It's 25. That's 50. 50. 60. That's 60.
For 4.
Nope, 4. Go ahead. All right. Do the last little part.
Little part. What's the last?
Oh. Time. So if you guys was watching, Deacon actually put 2 and 3 inside of 2. So we all know 80 cents plus 99 cents is $1.79. So number 1 should be 75 cents. Let's count it out. Count it out. Leave it on the table. Yep, spread it out and I count it. All right, there we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. All right. Number 2 should be $1.79 altogether. And I count it. I count it for you. All right, just spread it out for me. Don't spread it into the other money. All right. So we got, wait. All right, let me put everything together. 2 done. That goes 50 cents. All right, this right here, this right here, this right here. All right, so we got $1. It's 50. $1.50 plus this, that's 70, and we should have 9 pennies. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh, $1.79, like I said it was. And number 4 should be 60. Let's see. I see 60. What y'all see?
Same. 60.
All right.
65, 70.
Good job. Good job. You guys, we did this video. Of course, they may have got something wrong, but it's not about being wrong or right now. It's all about learning. They're learning how to count money, which is a big factor in life. Counting in general. It's a big factor in life. That's how you get the bills paid. That's how you invest. Learn how to invest in taxes and all that stuff. But
okay, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you guys get this video to 20 likes. We out.
Keep going up, pulling over. Feel like I'm driving. Feel like I'm driving. Feel like I'm driving. Feel like I'm driving.